I'm Honorable Mourn, the Speaker of Nairobi County Assembly. I'm here to issue a press on the sudden demise of one of my members, and you will allow me to take you through the print today, being the date of 22nd April 2025. The leadership of the County Assembly of Nairobi is deeply saddened to announce the untimely passing on of one of our members, Honorable Muneve, who is elected member of the County Assembly up to date for Kariobangi North Ward. He suddenly collapsed and passed away earlier today. Honorable Muneve was a dedicated leader, a tireless servant of the people, and a passionate voice in the Assembly. His relentless commitment to the residents of Kariobangi North and the greater ideals of public service will be remembered with immense respect and admiration. We mourn not only the loss of a colleague, but a brother whose presence and insight enriched our institution and uplifted many. His sudden demise is profound loss to his family, his constituents, and the entire Nairobi City County government. On behalf of the County Assembly of Nairobi and my own behalf as the Speaker, we convey our deepest condolences to the family, friends, and constituents of Honorable Muneve. Our thoughts and prayers are with them during this difficult time. Further details regard
nafikiri kwamba tumeelezwa na Speaker kwamba tumepoteza mmoja wetu. Alikuwa rafiki wangu wa karibu sana. Mara nyingi tulikuwa tunatembea pamoja na yeye, na hatujui nini imefanyika leo mpaka akaaga. Tunaombea Mungu aweke roho yake mema peponi, lakini kwa sasa tungeomba sana kama familia ya Assembly, wanasiasa hapo tena kwa familia yake, tupatie muda kidogo wajirecollect so that we address this issue later. But I think that what the Speaker has said for now is enough. The burial arrangements and everything else will be communicated later. We pray that his soul rest in peace. And today he was picked from home by a friend here, Peter. So they're always talking. He's a friend for 20 years. They're always talking. And he was just picked. He calls and say that if he picked, he always uses his vehicle or another vehicle from the friend. So Peter picked him up, but on the way coming to town, he started complaining of some pain. So that's when he died. He just died in front of the hospital here. So we pray for the family, at least to get some comfort during this kind of time.
Let me say this is a big hit to all members countrywide. 2,288 members feel the loss, and as Speaker has advised that we have a meeting of all members because Muneve is on us, and take full charge of having the discussions and how to do a funeral that befits his honor as Nairobi and also as the whole country in our fraternity as well, the county.